In this guide, you will learn how to reinstall audio drivers in Windows 11 and 10. Just go and right-click on the Start menu icon and select Device Manager from the list. Now in the Device Manager window, locate Sound, Video, and Game controllers, and click on this icon to extend it. Here is the complete list of sound drivers installed on your PC. You can select the one causing the issue, just right-click on it, select Uninstall Device, and again click on Uninstall to confirm and remove it. After the uninstallation, go and click on this monitor icon, and Windows will now automatically search and reinstall the missing driver. Also keep in mind that Windows will only install their official audio drivers like the default audio or Realtek high definition audio. For more audio drivers like NVIDIA high definition audio, you will have to reinstall them manually. For example, for NVIDIA's audio drivers, go and open its application. Select the Drivers tab from the left panel. Now click on this Reinstall button to reinstall the fresh drivers. In some cases, Windows may not reinstall the Realtek high-definition audio drivers. Do not worry, just open your browser, type Realtek high-definition audio drivers, and hit Enter to search. Open the first website and download and install the driver respective to your Windows version and PC type. You may need to restart your PC to complete the reinstallation process. You can also reinstall Windows audio drivers from the updates. Go to the bottom of your screen, click on the Start menu icon, and select Settings from above. Now select Windows Update from the lower left corner, click on this button that says Check for Updates, and Windows will search, download, and automatically install the missing audio drivers from updates. You can also go to Advanced Options, then Optional Updates, and you may find audio drivers like Realtek high definition audio here. Just simply select it and install. And that's it.